So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find the drive that you want to create a backup of. Now once you find it, you want to right click on it and then click on properties and then click on sharing and then click on advanced sharing. You want to tick share this folder and then click on permissions, and now under allow you want to tick full control, which should now tick everything else, and then click on OK. We can now resolve this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig and then click on enter. You want to find the IPv4 address. Just highlight this and then you want to copy it. So do Ctrl+C to copy it. Either copy or take a note of the IPv4 address. Next, you want to go to search again and type in run. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to type in // and then you want to paste the IPv4 address. So do Ctrl+V to paste it. It should now look like this, 2 backslashes with the IPv4 address. And then click on OK. And now this will come up. For the next step, you want to keep this open. Now we're going to go to search and type in control panel. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to make the view by large icons. And now you want to select backup and restore. And now once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to select create a system image. Wait for this to load. And now once this comes up, you want to tick on the network location and then click on select. And now under network location, you want to type in // and then that same IPv4 address from earlier. Just do Ctrl+V to paste it. And then do a / again. You want to type in the drive letter that appears over here. For me, it's going to be E. I'm going to type in right here. Next, you want to type in a username and password that Windows Backup will use to access the network location when saving your backup. I'm just going to type in, you can pretty much make it anything you want. And then click on OK. And then once this comes up, make sure you have on the network location selected, and you should now be seeing all of this right here. And then click on next. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to tick the drive that you want to back up. Keep in mind that your backup is going to be saved to this location, which is right here. And then click on next. And then click on start backup. It's now going to start the backup for you. That's how you do it.